Grateful gang, real quick, before you go drop $2,000 on a Neverfull, watch this video, okay? Because I'm finna save somebody some money today, no cap. I'm probably gonna make some people mad today also, but somebody gotta say something, okay? Pretty much something. We finna talk about why that Louis Vuitton Neverfull is not a $2,000 bag. It's just got a $2,000 name. You know what I mean? Right hand high in the comments if you agree, if you feel me right now, okay? Y'all watch this. Now, there's been people commenting to me, asking me about the Louis Vuitton Neverfull and asking, is it worth it? Should I save up for it? And stuff like that. And here's the thing. I went through and I took a look at the bag, okay? Because I definitely thought about it like, hey, at one point in time, I was highly interested in this bag because it ran heavily. It ran real hard in my community. Everybody had one. I wanted one too. In the same store, there is Coach. So I looked through those bags as well. And I'm thinking, am I tripping? Like, am I tripping? Why is the Neverfull so thin versus like the Brooklyn? Okay, let's just say any of the New York collection. They're thick, leather. I mean, they're all pretty much given the same type of construction, just with thicker materials. I hate saying it because I don't want nobody to come for me, but I'm just keeping it real. The cost is 10 times more. Make it make sense. Okay, clock it. Let's start with the Neverfull, okay? And listen, I'm not finna sit up here and act like it's a bad bag. It's not. It's a beautiful bag. The shape is classic. It's roomy. It's giving that timeless French girl thing. You know, I get it. But here's where it gets me. For $2,000, I expect to be gagged. Like, and when I really looked at it, the canvas, the way it's put together, it's nice. But it ain't $2,000 nice, in my opinion. You know what? Are you guys agreeing with me, or do you feel like that bag is everything? Please tell me in the comments why it's giving, you know, $2,000 to you. Like, the little logo is one thing that I love. I'm not even gonna hold you. I always say it is some bags that can do logos and some of them cannot. And so can Coach. Coach can do it too, y'all. Let's get into it. Starting with the Brooklyn. I mean, really, that's really all we got to go with. The Brooklyn is the best bag. It's like one of the most famous bags through Coach. And y'all, it ain't $2,000. It's $495, $395, $295. Some of them is up there. Some of them can get to $695. However, when I tell you the leather on these, the hardware on these, listen, it's giving luxury. It's giving luxury. And I know that Louis Vuitton is luxury as well. But let's keep it real. You're paying for the name, and that's it. And I know it's a status bag. That's literally my whole point. You are paying for a status, not stitching, okay? Keep watching, y'all, because by the end, I'm going to put you onto the bag. It's a Coach bag that is giving the same... I don't want to say quality because I don't want to get myself in trouble. It's definitely giving you 10 times less the price of a Neverfull bag, right? But it reminds me of the Neverfull bag. It's cheaper than all the bags we talking about, okay? So stick with me, okay? And real quick, if this is the kind of honest fashion talk that you're here for, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up for me. And also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Drop me a comment and let me know which one, even if not any of these bags, because I would like to know more bags that y'all feeling as well. Even if it's not Coach, let me know. Okay, so we already know the price difference, right? You're looking at roughly $2,000 or $3,000 for a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, right? Versus under $700 for Coach's New York collection, except for the higher end Empires. We're not really talking Empire just because that's like a different type of bag. That's a satchel. The question is, are you really getting 3 or 4 times the quality if you paying that much? When you break down the materials, the answer isn't as clear as you might think, okay? The classic Louis Vuitton Neverfull is made primarily of coated canvas with leather trim. Okay, that right there. The Coach bags is made of full grain leather, okay? All the way around. Natural grain leather, suede, or glove tang leather throughout the entire bag. That means in many cases, Coach is actually gonna give you more leather for significantly less. Sorry if I said that all messed up. Significantly less. Now, Louis Vuitton absolutely has great craftsmanship, right? The stitching is clean, the construction is consistent, and the bags are built to last. However, again, so does Coach. You know what I mean? They stepped up their game. I don't know how they were in the past because I wasn't never into Coach in the 90s and stuff like that. But what I've got now, every bag that I've got now, I am 100% happy. Now, I do have a higher level, higher end bag. It's a Gucci and it's coated canvas. And I do not like that coated canvas versus how my Coach bags feel. I'm just keeping it real. Now, I do not have a Louis Vuitton bag as of yet. Again, it was something that I really, really wanted. But when I went to look at it, I was just like, I guess. But people see that monogram and they instantly know what it is. And that's what I love about it. The prestige, the heritage, the status, all of that is what I wanted from that bag. And the materials in the construction is good too. So yeah, everyday functionality is great. It's just that price point for me is wild, okay? And to me, I get it. I put respect on a name. However, you're not about to disrespect my wallet, okay? Both brands create bags that can last for years. So why we paying the biggest difference? You know, it's just crazy to me. But when I compare, Louis Vuitton Neverfulls to any Coach collection, but we talking about the New York collection, I just don't see that the bag should be 3 and 4 times more in the price, because it's not 3, it's 4 times better. I see a bag that's more expensive because of the name attached to it, okay? Now, if your goal is getting the best quality for your money, you already know Coach makes sense, okay? They have an incredibly strong case, all right? But if your goal is to own a luxury icon with worldwide recognition, then of course Louis Vuitton won, right? And I'm not mad at them for that, because I still want one, even though I know you're not going to give me what Coach is giving me. Ain't that crazy? Y'all, do not judge me. But no, for real, I want to get into it now. There's other bags in the Brooklyn department. There's the Lana bag. There is the Chelsea bag. There's the Empire. Again, we said we're not really dealing with that one. These are in the retail store, okay? The retail store alone. However, I have not mentioned outlet. And remember I told you I was going to tell you about a bag that's cheaper than all of them bags? Baby, the City Tote. Y'all probably think I'm trying to be funny, but I hate to feel like it feels like this is disrespect. You know what I'm saying? Because the City Tote is a bag that's under $200, right? However, when I look at the City Tote and I go look at the Neverfull bag, it compares. It feels like the same, almost the same type of quality, right? I mean, am I lying? Has anybody touched the Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag and also touched the City Tote? As a matter of fact, if you got a City Tote bag and you in any city that has a Louis Vuitton store, I know Tampa, Florida has one, go in there and touch your City Tote bag right next to the Neverfull bag and tell me that there's a difference. Like, tell me what, maybe the trim. Okay, I'll give you that. The trim is different. It's leather. And the rest of the bag, like we said, is coated canvas. Is that fair? Again, we talking about the name, so I gotta remember we talking about a name, because even I, knowing what I know, knowing what I'm saying, and hearing myself speak, it doesn't mean that I don't want a Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. I still want one, and like, call me crazy, but I still do. I still want a traditional, especially the brown one, with the LV all over it, or the checkerboard all over it. One of the two. Just the darker colors is my favorite ones. But again, it really does not matter to me that Coach is so much more affordable. I'm using them both. But y'all, I do think what's comparable, in my opinion, and I could be tripping, let me know in the comments if you not feeling what I'm saying. To me, the City Tote is comparable to the Neverfull bag, and the Coach Brooklyn is, it's just a cut from the rest, put it that way. Y'all, let me know in the comments how you feeling. Make sure you like the video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all don't be mad at me. I ain't mad at y'all if y'all still buy Louis Vuitton. Go on, do it. Bye.